I love taking cool pictures to post on social media. Photography has always been an interest for me, and my OMD makes it really easy for me to get great shots. This camera has a great look to it. It's small and easily fits in my bag. I always get compliments on the classic look it has when I'm carrying it around, and it's also lightweight too, that I can carry it along with me all day. This camera is really simple to turn on and shoot. If I do need more light, there's this cool built-in flash that's hidden right in the top of the camera. I truly do love this camera because I don't have to think about the settings. I could just quickly take my shot. And auto mode picks those settings for me. It sees my subject, the scene, the light, and it picks the right settings so I capture perfect shots. My selfies are even super easy to grab with the image stabilization built right in. With the touchscreen on the back, it makes it simple for me to frame the shot. When I am looking to capture something a little bit more specific, I use the specialized modes to choose a scene that I want to shoot. I personally love taking pictures of my fun, cool-looking food. I capture sharp images with a perfectly blurred background. Once I'm done, I can simply click that shortcut button on the top of the camera and it takes me right back to the scene menu. Something really awesome about this camera are the built-in filters. Personally, my favorite filter is Bleach Bypass. It gives my shots or video an authentic and old film look that we all love to see on social media. This camera is so easy to use. It grows with me as I'm learning the basics of photography. And as I do become more comfortable, it introduces me to those techniques like HDR shooting and light trails for stars at night. Sharing my pictures on social media is effortless. The shots instantly sync with my Olympus app and transfer directly to my phone. I'm Jacqueline, and Olympus designed the perfect camera for me.